In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Pikzels AI subscription. Let's get started. First, log into your Pikzels AI account and look at the sidebar menu. Click on Account, then go to Billing to access your subscription details. Inside the Billing section, click on Manage Plan to open your current subscription settings. Now, under your active plan, you will see a Cancel button. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. A pop-up window will appear offering to extend your trial for another week along with 200 extra credits. You can choose to accept this offer if you want more time, or simply decline it if you're ready to cancel. Once you decline the offer, your subscription will be successfully canceled, and you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. That's all you need to do to cancel your Pikzels AI subscription quickly and easily. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.